Let's do question 5 with a different method. So we still have the same situation. We want to find an equation of a line that goes through the origin, which is right here at the center. Okay, and then we want to go through 1, 2, the point 1, 2. So we go to the right once and then go up to 2 units. So that's my 1, 2, and we want to find the equation of this line. Okay, this is my x, my y. Okay, so I can make some notes. For equation of a line, earlier we did the y is equal to mx plus b form, right? And I'm going to show you guys another way to do it. First, we need the slope. We always need a slope. Okay, we always need a slope first. And slope, you can look at this as rise over run, or to do the calculation, that's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And second, this is different. We're going to use y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So it's the difference. The only difference between this video and the one that I showed you guys earlier is what we are going to use for the second step. That's all. Maybe you will like this one better though. So let's get a slope. I need 2 points. The first point that I know is 0, 0. I need 2 points. And just to illustrate that, it doesn't matter which point that you call the first point. Earlier in my previous video, I said this is the first point. So I wrote x1, y1. But for this video, I want to write this as x1, y1. So that I will call this the first point. And then this will be the second point, x2, y2. And you will see it turn out to be, it will be the same answer. So first, slope. And slope is denoted by the letter m. Okay? And we have y2 minus y1. So we have 0 minus 2. y2 is 0 minus y1 is 2. And then over x2 is 0 minus x1, which is 1. As long as you are consistent, so again, you put the 2's first, y2 and x2 first, minus y1 and then minus x1. And we get what? I have negative 2 on the top in this case, over negative 1 on the bottom. So the slope m, negative 2 divided by negative 1 is positive 2. So exactly the same answer as the one we did earlier. So this is one of the information that we need. So second, we are going to use y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And what do we know so far? We know m is equal to 2, right? We know m is equal to 2. And then what's the x1 and then y1? You can pick any point. You can pick one of these points. Doesn't matter. Okay, but since I call this x1 and y1, let me just use this. Okay, so I will make a note. I'll say use this point 1, 2, and this is my x1, 2 is my y1. Okay, and then we have y. Again, when we are writing the equation, the y and x doesn't change. Y minus y1 is equal to 1. Sorry, y1 is equal to 2. This 2, sorry. It's 2. That's equal to m is equal to 2, the one we got earlier. Parentheses, the x doesn't change. Minus the x1 is equal to 1. And notice that right here, when we're doing this step, we are already writing the equation of the line. We are already writing the equation of the line. And then right here, I have a parentheses and something in front of the parentheses. I can take the 2 and multiply inside. So 2 times x, I get 2x. And 2 times -1, I get -2. And that's equal to y minus 2. I need to isolate the y. Let me add a 2 on both sides. I need to add a 2 to cancel this 2. But when I add a 2 on the right hand side, these 2 cancel as well. So y is equal to 2x, just like how we got it, like the one that we got earlier. I think for this one, for this method, if you use this like a blueprint, you don't need to solve for the b, which is slightly easier. However, this formula right here, it's slightly longer, so it's like you know, you have to just pick your favorite one. Doesn't matter, they will both give you the right answer as long as you do them correctly, of course.